Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've ever found yourself unable to edit a locked page and didn't know what to do, you're in the right place. This guide will quickly and easily show you how to unlock any page. First, open your Canva project where the page is locked. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several icons to assist you. Focus on the grid icon. Clicking this icon gives you an overview of all the pages in your document. This bird's eye view helps you see the structure of your project and identify which pages are locked. Find the locked page by looking for a lock icon, usually at the bottom of the page thumbnail. This icon indicates that the page cannot be edited. Once you locate it, right-click on the page. A menu will appear. From it, select the Unlock Page option. Clicking this removes the lock icon and the page becomes fully editable. You can now add content, adjust elements, or make any changes you want. The essential steps are: open the grid view to identify locked pages, right-click on the locked page and select Unlock Page. These simple actions make your design workflow smoother and more efficient. Unlocking pages is a small but crucial skill in Canva that ensures you can freely edit and customize all parts of your project. With a little practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, even if you accidentally click the wrong page, Canva allows undoing changes so you can safely experiment. Mastering this technique saves time and prevents frustration when working on complex designs with multiple layers or pages. Now you can confidently manage your projects, move elements, and customize every page to fit your vision. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other guides for more tips and tricks to enhance your Canva designs. See you next time. Happy designing!